Do you agree with me? A great way to expand your knowledge is to learn from a very successful people. A great way to expand your business is to increase your network circle. I will try to be very personal with you. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things you need to consider if you hate networking session. I used to hate networking session. I felt nervous when I meet unfamiliar faces. You need to exchange your name card and intro yourself. They will ask you, Ezreal, what do you do? In a networking session, you don't have to click with everyone. You just need to find that person that click with you. And it don't have to end up with a collaboration. You may even want to consider having this excuse for yourself. Ezreal, I'm an introvert. I hate meeting these people. They are hypocrites. They want to take me for a ride. They want to leech on me, take advantage of me. I had a very bad experience with networking session. So, I want to share with you things that you want to consider if you want to go for a networking session and to grow your business. Point number 1. Business is about people. It's about building relationship with your customer and your client. It's easier to close someone when you meet them one-on-one versus online. They only buy those services and products which they trust. Point number 2, one-on-one session is too time consuming. It takes a lot of your time. Those who actually attended networking session, these are the like-minded people. They know what to do, they know what to say, they know what to expect, and they already gear up to either receive business or give business to you. Point number 3, this is very interesting for me, because this is the opportunity for you to meet someone that you have met online. You may have commented their posts, like their posts, and make some kind of interaction with them. It is an opportunity for you to meet them. You may have some perception of them, bad experience talking to them. You may see someone commented bad about them, and trust me, during this networking session, when you talk to them, you may have changed an opinion of them. A lot of time, after I talk to them, what I do, what I found out with them is, this is not true. Normally, I am wrong. They are not bad after all. So, in order for you to change perception of them, you need to meet them personally. So, what's next? Suit up. Prepare your 1-minute intro and you're ready to go. I will see you guys in my next sharing session. Bye.